guys, and welcome back to our channel. I'm here today doing another sewing tutorial for you. Last time we made this pretty pin cushion. If you'd like to see how I made that, then I will link that in the top right hand corner for you now. But today I'm going to show you how to make these pretty fabric weights. We're going to use the same fabric, the same grey fabric, and I've got two squares which are 4 inches by 4 inches. I've got some rice and a bowl and a funnel for when I want to fill with rice. I've got my trusty pinking shears and I've got my sewing machine ready. First job, 2 bits of fabric, pin them wrong sides together. Now what we're going to do, we're going to sew from here to here, up to here, along here, down here and back to here, leaving about an inch gap to put the rice in. Once you get to the end, make sure your needle is right through the fabric, lift up your presser foot and pivot round. And do this again on each corner until you get back to here. Check that they line up. And then stop when you've got about an inch gap and just do a little back stitch. So the next step is to trim the loose threads, and then with the pinking shears we're going to cut along this side, along the top, and then back down this side, but leave the bottom bit where the opening is. Now what you've got is this little pouch with an opening at the top. So now we're going to bring in the rice, pop the funnel into the hole, and pour it in. You can understand why I've got a bowl now. Last time I done it without the bowl, and let's just say it wasn't pretty. Just shake it in there. You might need to do this a few times until you get the right amount of rice. Just keep pouring it. Now, you've got about enough when you've got about a finger's width. Maybe a little bit more. and then simply pin that closed just to stop the rice escaping. Now you can either hand sew this or you can go over to the sewing machine. I'm going to opt for the sewing machine because I find hand sewing a pain in the bum, basically. Now my top tip for sewing this closed is to swap your foot for your zipper foot. That way you can just get slightly closer and have a neater finish. There we go. All that's left now is to trim the threads, and then we're just neaten that bit up and we're done. This is such a simple beginner project, and if you're planning on sewing in the future, making your own fabric weights is a really good idea. If you do try making any of my tutorials, please let me know how you get on in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.